Tell me when you're
Wait,
recording.
I'm recording now.
Well, it's funny when I do it like.
Those princesses of poultry, Camilla and friends.
There you go. There you go, ladies. Anyone see Camilla?
Yeah.
All right, ladies, enjoy yourself now. There you go. There you go.
Don't know about what you do. Was you next month? I'm out of town.